once you've prepped all your food, you can move it over to our new storage system. This fits perfectly in your refrigerator, and it's really handy to be able to pull out and have all your prepped food come out at the same time instead of having to look behind one container after the other. And I often lose things in my refrigerator. I don't know if you do or not, but this has really made a difference. And what I really like about this system, which is sold separately from the cutting board and 2 containers, is that this not only is for storage, but it's also for serving. If you're familiar with our Cool and Serve containers that come with the freezer pack on the bottom, well, this does as well. So imagine making like a fruit tray bar that you want to serve at a breakfast, and you want to make sure the fruit stays nice and cold. Just put these in the freezer overnight, and then when you're ready to store, put them at the bottom. Now your containers of different fruits or whatever it is that you want to keep cold will stay nice and cold for a couple of hours while you're serving it. So that's a really wonderful part. In terms of size, think about this being about the size of one of those 12 packs of canned drinks. That's about how much space it will take in your refrigerator. The 3 containers that come with this storage system have actually a divider in it so that you can actually store 6 different types of prepared food in it. It's removable and you can place it where you'd like. It also comes with a drainage tray. So if you can see that with holes, I've got prepared, chopped up tofu on this side. The liquid will drain to the bottom and not keep whatever I have mushy. So that can be really handy for like your prepared strawberries or other things that you don't want sitting in any kind of extra moisture, right? And so I find that awesome. And as I mentioned before, it's got the vented lid. So some things you'll want to have air circulation and others you want more airtight. So, Pampered Chef has thought of all of that in terms of your storage needs. So a two-part system, the cutting board with the 2 containers that you can either put both in the front or on the side, and then the storage system itself. It's really been a game changer, and I hope that, that you enjoy